Hey, good morning, guys. Making a follow-up video. Robinhood has recently came out with a new feature that you can select what specific tax lot you want to sell whenever you sell shares of a stock or an ETF. So let's go ahead and dive into the app here and take a look at it. So looking at the Robinhood platform here, we can see I have 4 shares of SGOV. It is just a treasury bond. It's where I just keep some of my idle cash per se, make a little bit of yield on it. So what you'll need to do, you'll come to the trade tab, select sell, and then at the top right, you select the dollars, and then there's an option here. It says sell in tax lots. You select that, and then next you just have to select which one you want to sell it at. So if you want to sell, the shares you purchased on the 10th of February, in this case, wasn't much. It was 0.21 share. You select it, and then you click done. So it's not going to work here because we're in pre-market hours. So let's go to a full share. So this is a full share. I'm recording this at 8:57. So I'm sure you can execute this if it's after 9:30 and before 4 o'clock. But for this instance right here, we are in pre-market. So selecting the whole share, you click done. It then comes back to this screen, and you can see the tax lots are now selected, and it shows your estimated gain. So then you click review and sell if you want to execute that. So pretty simple. It's not available on the web app from what I'm seeing. It might be available on Robinhood Legend. I will look into that, but this is available from what I'm seeing on the mobile app. So if this is something you're looking for, definitely go check it out. Let me know your thoughts down below. Was this a feature you've been waiting on? It's definitely something I've been waiting on for some time. I remember several years ago, I used to have to manually email them each time I would trade, and if I wanted to sell a specific tax lot. For my instance, I had 100 shares of a company, but I would continually get in and out of that company to kind of lower my basis, kind of similar to cover calls, but it was kind of, with the actual shares itself there. And I wanted to specify, I don't want to sell, my older shares. I just want to sell, pretty much using that FIFO method, the last in. So typically it defaults to FIFO, right? So first in, first out, and that's the default. But if you want something else like a LIFO, meaning the last purchases you purchased are going to be the first out. So that's called LIFO. Definitely go look that up if you're kind of interested in learning more about those two different types. You got FIFO and you got LIFO. Hope this was helpful. Stay tuned for more content coming out. And if this helped you solve this question you've been looking for, please like, subscribe. Definitely helps out the channel a lot. Cheers.